because of 15 degrees, 15 manifold pressure. You set 15, all the time the 15?
If I normal approach?
No, that's a total wrong.
Really?
You have to lower correctly.
Lower correctly?
The key point is to maintain the angle.
Okay.
It's not related to manifold pressure.
Okay.
Okay, if you are low, you have to raise corrective. It's not related to the manifold pressure.
Okay.
Cleared for takeoff.
Okay.
Cleared for takeoff, 26 right, 44 Victor Charlie.
And then, do you care about VSI or normal approach?
VSI? 300?
No, that's wrong.
Really?
Yeah, don't care about that VSI.
Don't care about
if
that.
you are moving forward, fast walking speed.
Okay.
If you have an ETL, no vertical ring state.
Just
if you have an ETL.
Okay.
If steep approach, yes.
Yes. Okay.
But the 300 is too little. If more than 500, yeah, you might have a vertical ring state.
Okay.
Okay.
I remind you.
Yeah, please. Okay. That's a too danger.
Okay.
If you give 15 and 300, you're way high.
Way high, yeah.
There's no way, no space around runway 30.
Yeah. At the final, we are really high because.
Yeah, that's why you have to lower the corrective.
Yeah. So.
That's why I'm asking. Okay.
Yeah. I thought is one cycling means like hold east of the running.
Yeah, and the recycle is actually the transponder is this position. That's why the tower mentioned. Hey, there's no transponder. The model C.
Yeah, 1200 for PFR.
Yeah. And for that, we have to put in the LD position.
Okay.
But this is not your fault because of different helicopter, different system for the transponder. Okay. Okay. But it's okay. But I blame you that you have to control the angle.
Control the collective. Okay.
I know this is feeling something different.
Okay.
Okay, but the concept is the same.
Okay.
Okay. Please show me the normal takeoff, normal approach.
Okay.
And then next time, you need to give the normal approach. Only the two things. Fast walking speed.
Yeah.
And spot.
A spot. Okay.
Only two things.
Okay. I will focus on it.
Yeah. Until 50 feet.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's do it.
Okay. So
all right. Now you have control.
Okay. I have control.
Helicopter 865 Papa Bravo Long Beach. Just hold for a moment, I'll call you back.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 green, F center, carpet time is out of yellow, no warning light, no caution light, table is green. First pickup.
Okay.
Helicopter 5 Papa Bravo, there's a helicopter, they're midfield landing at Juliet. Do you have them in sight?
I do, 5 Papa Bravo.
Okay, turn left, take clear.
And helicopter 5 November Romeo, just use caution for the taxiing fixed-wing aircraft. In sight for 5 November Romeo, we're not overflying. Roger.
Long Tower Helicopter 4905 Papa Lima at pad 4 request left for traffic.
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima at pad 4 cleared for takeoff.
Pad 4 clear for takeoff, helicopter 5 Papa Lima. Take clear.
Helicopter 5 Papa Bravo. You have a helicopter that's lifting the pads. They're in the pattern. Use caution for them. Departure, taxiway Juliet Beam Atlantic. Clear for takeoff, and then I have pad 2 is available.
Juliet Beam Atlantic, clear for takeoff. Looking for the helicopter in the pattern. Pad 2, 865 Papa Bravo.
83 Hotel, return frequency change. Helicopter 83 Hotel, frequency change, we're good. Frequency change up to the head Hotel. Helicopter 5 Papa Lima, caution, there's a helicopter, they're lifting taxiway Juliet on your left, they're looking for you.
Looking for traffic helicopter 4905 Papa Lima.
Good job. And we have a helicopter just lifting off.
Okay.
And tower 727, pad 3, ready for takeoff.
Helicopter 727, pad 3, clear for takeoff. Use caution, there's a helicopter that's lifting on the west side of the field. They're joining the pattern.
Alright, 727, we have that helicopter in flight, clear for takeoff.
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima, pad 4, clear to land.
Pad 4, clear to land, helicopter 4905 Papa Lima.
Helicopter 5 Papa Bravo, pad 2, clear to land. There's another helicopter on the upwind, just caution for them.
Pad 2, clear to land, got both in sight, 5 Papa Bravo.
Okay. What's the speed they're looking for? What altitude they're looking for?
70 and 500.
Okay. And then which your target on the flight straight?
A little bit left.
Yeah,
downwind.
that's right. That's right.
Going to the left.
Helicopter 727, pad 3, clear to land.
Clear to land, pad 3, 727.
And gate check 123 green, F center, curve time is edge of yellow, no warning light, caution light, tape is green. $600, too high. Okay, manifold pressure 15.
Icon 139er, Bravo Alpha, east end of the breakwater, 1,500 information.
Overshoot.
Yeah, overshoot.
Icon 139er, Bravo Alpha, Long Beach Tower, left traffic, runway 26 left. Left traffic, 26 left, 139er, Bravo Alpha.
Delta 1116 on the ILS for 30.
Delta 1116, Long Beach Tower, wind 2209, runway 30, clear to land.
30, clear to land, Delta 1116.
Okay. Close, but you need to make a hover right over the number 4.
Okay.
That is not depend on your technique.
Okay.
That's all depend on your imagination.
Yeah.
Okay.
This helicopter is a little bit sensitive.
Yeah. No, your mind is a little bit sensitive.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. It's not pushing you at all. Okay.
Okay.
And but I'm worried about your level off. Okay.
Level up.
Yeah, and then you need to climb the 60 knot until which altitude to level up to 500? To level up to 500 when you start to level off.
500?
Uh-huh.
At the downwind?
Yeah, no, actually that will reach the 500.
Uh-huh.
So now when you need to start to level off, which altitude?
Which altitude? For 500 feet?
Yeah, 450.
450?
Yeah, once you reach 450, then how do you level off?
Level up.
Lower corrective or for cyclic or?
After cycling?
No, you are 60 and you increase the 70 knot, right? But
Yeah.
you have to
for the cycling?
for cycling first.
Yeah, for the cycling
And
first.
then lower corrective.
And
okay.
collective smoothly up.
Yeah, down corrective, how many inches?
How much inches? For 20 93.
Oh, that's a good climbing for the level off.
Level up.
295 Delta, long beach tower, runway 30, cleared to
So
land.
that's the one that you are flying without thinking,
Thinking, okay.
right?
Okay.
Okay, 450 and the whole cycle. What is the target for the whole cycle? How much of whole cycle you push?
That's the 95 Delta, the whole chart is...
For the level up?
Yeah.
Right.
Depends on the destination.
No. Hold on, we are making a track pattern.
Yeah.
You reach the 450. You
450.
said the whole cycle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how much of whole cycle you push?
For cycling, how much?
Yeah. So that's your flight style.
Depend on the collective.
No. You're looking for the 70 knot, right?
Yeah, 79. Front horizon.
Yeah, you have to check the horizon.
Okay.
So your horizon is a wobble. So
yeah.
your speed is a vary. And
Okay,
your
I got
power is not consistent.
yeah.
That's why your flight is 480 knots, stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Okay.
Yeah, your flight skill is good.
Yeah.
But your thinking is not aiming.
I got it.
Bravo, pad
Okay.
2, air taxi direct, Juliet, green to land.
Okay. Okay, how about the downwind? Okay, let me have a control.
Yeah,
control.
you have control.
Taxi,
Alright.
Kilo 3.
Right turn 26, right back taxi, Kilo 3, Delta 1116.
Okay, so
Who else
the
called?
track pattern,
Helicopter, Bravo,
Okay.
pad 2, air taxi direct, Juliet, green to land.
up